Today unboxing is on the Tomica Caltex station and also the Nissan UD truck, which is the Singapore exclusive. This is an ongoing promotion in Caltex now. With $60 spent on fuel, you'll be able to get the Caltex station with $20 top up and also the Caltex lorry with another $5 top up. Hong Kong also used to have a very similar Caltex promotion in the past, hence the total value for this Tomica is Singapore $25, which I think is a very good buy. A few highlights on the Caltex station: you have the working fuel pump, the car wash, and also the service bay, which will be able to trigger your Tomica. Photo for the real Caltex station is also included. The biggest highlight for this Caltex station is the modular parts. It can be easily combined with other Tomica playsets for endless fun. This Caltex station can also be configured into a workshop or a parking deck. All the components are carefully sealed in a wrapper. A guide is included in Japanese with many instructional diagrams. A decal sheet with all the numbers labeled. Assembly is easy without any delicate parts because it's meant for kids and also for the adult collectors for endless fun. To top up $20 for such a comprehensive playset, I think it's very worthwhile. There's plenty of enjoyment in this playset with your Tomica collection. It's very interesting to watch how your Tomica is being washed in this playset. The material is made of sponge and it's very interesting. It also includes an oversized working fuel pump, which seems to be a lot of fun. And now a closer look at the UD truck Caltex lorry. The outer box itself is an advertisement for Caltex. The logo is all around the box with the tagline, and behind it states it's from Tommy Asia Limited, which means that this is an Asia exclusive outside of Japan market. No opening parts, no suspension. See the Caltex branding and the tagline Clean and Glide technology. As this lorry belongs to the mainline category, the details are very limited, and what I like about this truck is all the liveries are printed without any decals. And unlike TLV, although there's a huge difference in scale, the lorry still looks fantastic inside the Caltex station. Overall, this is a very worthwhile set, which promises you hours of fun for the adult collectors or playing together with your child. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!